Hello, it's Matt and welcome to Collaboration Coach. This time I'm going to show you a new way to control who can join your team's meeting. You may want all your meeting attendees to wait in the lobby while you admit them one by one. This could be useful if you're a teacher meeting your class and you want to manage when students join, and you want to make sure that you join before they do and that nobody joins who shouldn't be there. This feature is called Who Can Bypass the Lobby. When you start a meeting, anyone in your organisation is allowed to join without having to wait in the lobby, so you don't have to admit them. But you can set it to only me, which makes everyone wait in the lobby and you as the meeting organiser have to admit them. So how do you turn this on for your meeting? First, let's schedule a meeting. I'll go to the calendar app and choose New Meeting. Then I'm going to schedule this for 11 o'clock and invite Megan. I send the invitation, and now from the calendar, I open up the meeting again. And this time I choose the meeting options link here. A page will open in the browser and take me to the options for that meeting. I can go to the Who Can Bypass the Lobby section, and if I choose the drop down to the right of that, I can change the lobby option to Only Me. Then I press Save, and I can now join the meeting and wait for the others. Now, when Megan joins the meeting, I see a prompt telling me she's in the lobby, and I can admit her or I can view the lobby. And if I view the lobby, I can see everyone listed here on the right hand side, and I can choose to admit her or deny her access using the tick and the cross buttons. And I'll see an entry here for everyone that tries to join. I can also toggle this list on and off by choosing the Show Participants button. I should also call out here that you can make changes when the meeting is in progress too. If you wanted to make people wait in the lobby, but you forgot to set it when you scheduled the meeting, you can still do it once the meeting has started. To do that, in the meeting window, come up here to the right hand corner and find the Manage Permissions button. Either by clicking on the ellipses here, if you're using the new experience, or find the tick and cross button. That will open up the meeting options page again, and you can make the changes, save them, and they will take immediate effect. Okay, so that's the new way of controlling who joins your team's meeting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.